Hey friends, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to modify or change a calendar event in Google Calendar. So once you're on Google Calendar, guys, you want to find where that specific event is. Either you want to switch between days or you want to switch between weeks or months or year. So let's choose, for example, a month. And you want to find that event in your calendar. Just simply click on that event. You'll have the option to edit. Simply click on edit event and you can change the time, the date, the name, whatever it is. So here you can change it. I can just remove the day as an example. I can change the time here. As you can see, I can change the date. I can choose a specific date. I can change, for example, the time zone. So I can click on that and I can choose a different time zone and click on OK. Right, you can change the location. It's really up to you. You can just basically choose whatever you want. Add description, you can add whatever it is, files here from Google Drive, all these different things, guys. You can basically add invitees, you can add someone there and all these things. Once you're finished, just simple go ahead and click on the save option here and it's saved, and that's it. Very easy and very simple, guys, how to edit an event on Google Calendar.